Hello. Hello. We're going to start a tutorial creating a floor plan GeoJSON from a floor plan image. This is the part one. So when you start the QGIS, it's going to look like this. There's nothing, and we want a map. And how we get a map is that you open a OpenLayers plugin, and you can choose any one of these. I'm going to choose this stem and toner. And you can zoom into any area that you are interested in. I'm going to zoom into Helsinki, where my university campus is. Okay. There's a limit how much you can zoom in. So I think the maximum was around about this, or maybe not. Or even, yeah, okay. And then we have to map a floor plan image to an actual map because the floor plan image itself doesn't have any geo coordinate. It doesn't know where to be on the Earth. So how we do that is that we choose raster and open a georeferencer. And when we open it, we open raster. And I'm going to open this TIF. And when you open it, it's very important you choose the right system. So we're going to use WGS 84 and EPSG 3857. Always remember to keep this system correct because you don't want to redo your work. And how we reference is it that we are going to map the image to the Earth. And we need to set points, and you can put as many points as you want to, but usually 4 should be enough. So I'm gonna point here, and then a window is gonna come out, something like this. And we are going to get it from the map canvas. And how we do it is that we are gonna click on the map, but it looks pretty small and it's quite tedious to click at the right position. Fortunately, on a Mac, you can press Control button and then scroll up, and then it will zoom in. It's not gonna look pretty, but still it's pretty good. I'm gonna click here, and then you zoom out, and then press OK. Continue, and if you press space and move your mouse cursor, it will allow you to, go to different positions. It's very similar to Photoshop if you know how to use Photoshop. Okay. The reason that we're putting 4 points, oh shit, yeah. I accidentally zoomed in, sorry about that. Is that it's gonna be morphed when it tries to refer to the actual map because, the floor plan is a flat image, but the Earth is not a flat surface. It's a spherical, object. So if you put too much, the morphism might end up really weird. I mean morphing, sorry about that. Yeah, and when you're done doing that, you're going to click this, transformation settings. And again, the most important thing is the system. And we are going to use the same system. And then you decide how you're going to name it. And I'm going to name dig 1 because this is the floor 1, first floor. And then let's look at more about the settings. We don't want any compression. That looks good, and I want to load it in QGIS when done, and I'm going to click it, and then we are going to start georeferencing. It's going to take some time. Yeah, drink a cup of coffee or take some cookies. Sorry, I cannot pause and continue because I'm just using QuickTime. It doesn't allow me to pause. So bear with me, waiting, or you can just skip to the part where it's already done. Wow, this takes quite much time. I don't remember that it took so much time. It might be due to the size of the floor plan image, the one that I used before. I converted using Ghost script, so the output was really small. It was something like 200 kilobytes. Now it's 1.3 megabytes, about 6 times larger. Almost there, please stay with me. Yeah, so it's done. See, you can see it here, and voila, it's right there. Yeah. If you want to see the underlying outline, then you can set the transparencies. Let's do maybe 70 would be good. Yeah, or maybe that was too much. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so if we zoom in, it's pretty much in the right place. Yep. Thank you, and see you in part 2.